Today we are solving the quadratic equation based question. Find the value of k for equal roots if 2kx square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. First of all, let us compare this equation with standard quadratic equation. So compare x square coefficient is 2k. So a is equal to 2k. B coefficient of x 6 and c constant is 9. For equal roots, condition is discriminant should be 0. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b square means 6 square minus 4 into a into c is 2k into 9 must be 0. Six square 36 minus 4 to the 8, 8 9 ja 72k. 36 will be shifted RHS, minus will be cancelled. K is equal to 36 upon 72. After cancellation it will be 1 upon 2. So the answer of this question, K is equal to 1 upon 2.